It's time to eat. So, why don't we go to Africa? Well, in Disney World. We're headed over to Animal Kingdom into the land of Africa and we're going to check out Tusker House. Come along with us. We're headed to a spot that I really wanted to go to, but never had the chance. But we're here today. We're headed to Tusker House. Tusker House is an African inspired restaurant located in Disney's Animal Kingdom in the location of Africa. You are able to come in and see the host, Donald Duck, and all of his Disney friends. This Harambe styled marketplace eatery is family friendly. It has a very plentiful buffet and it offers favorites for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And while you're dining, you can snap a photo with Donald Duck or Daisy Duck or Goofy in their safari attire. So they have all of these different types of masks and beads. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, friends. I'll be right with you.
Good morning.
We have
No.
not.
Thank you. Hi, Donald. Just take a look at this really cool African themed vibe. This restaurant was so cute and so unique.
So I got some jungle juice coming for y'all right now. Have y'all had our juice yet?
Uh-uh.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring the jungle juice out for y'all, and how about coffee?
Please.
Okay, because y'all got 4 kids. I'm gonna bring y'all a big pot of coffee out.
Please. Please.
Now here's the cool thing. When the characters come out, so this is gonna be your job. You're gonna be my watchdog, all right? They'll come from here and they'll go into that room right there.
There
and
he
then from
is.
that room they come over here, like this guy. So y'all say hi to Donald. I'll
Hi,
be back with
Donald.
some juice for y'all. Yeah, you guys want to get up and get a picture? It's all right.
Here is just another reason that going to a Disney World property and having a character dining is so special. Look at the time and attention that he's taking with the kids. And then with our little one, he was a little intimidated, a little shy, wasn't quite sure what to make of this thing, but they just take their time and they give each child attention, and that just makes you fall in love with Disney. So let's take a look and see what they have to offer for breakfast here at the Tusker House. Before I show you some of the buffet items that are there on the menu, I just wanted to list a few of them because I know I probably mangled the names horribly as I was going through in the video. But I'm taking a look right now at the website for what it is that they offer for on the buffet. Let me read off some of the things. For breakfast, they have things such as safari bread, Mickey and Simba waffles, and Durban chicken and egg curry with jasmine rice. For lunch, they have things such as Moroccan spiced beef and Berberi marinated pork. And for dinner, they have such options like spit roasted herb chicken and Cape Malay green curry shrimp. Now, I know this seems maybe a little exotic for some that might not tempt your taste buds, but for younger ones or picky ones, they also have things, very classic offerings, such as yogurt for breakfast. Mac and cheese are available for lunch and dinner. So there will be something there to tempt the taste buds for everyone. And also things like regular breads and rolls. Now the price, let me pull that up too so that you can see. And then I have something, a little trick that we learned that you can get 2 for 1. I'm going to tell you about that at the end of the video. So taking a look at the website, it says the pricing ranges between $35 to $59.99 per adult, and children under 3 eat free. So with that, let's get back to the video.
Looks like this is the area for fresh fruit. We have apples, bananas, grapes, and oranges. Cereal. Impossible bobotie with chocula. Potato barrels. Feisty green beans. And tandoori spiced roasted tomatoes. We have some salsa here. Vegetable frittata. Shakshuka. I'm probably saying it wrong. And breakfast potatoes. Looks delicious. Over here, we have banana bread pudding, Cape Malay chicken curry, and jasmine rice. Let's try all of it, shall we? They all look delicious. And of course, we have the famous Mickey-shaped waffles, Simba waffles, and pancakes. Then we have ketchup, bacon, sausage, and more potato barrels. Over here we have watermelon feta salad, black-eyed pea salad, and carrot and chickpea salad. Let's take a look. Over here we have things like house-made granola, honey Greek yogurt, berry compote, fresh fruit salad, hard-boiled eggs, and overnight oats. Capers, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, smoked salmon, and whipped plain cream cheese. And here at the end, we have things like butter, orange marmalade, strawberry jam, chocolate twists, cinnamon rolls, zebra coffee cake, sliced bread, multigrain croissants, and bagels. I got caught up in a Disney dance party here that I forgot almost to show you the food. And the food here at Tusker House is delicious. Let me show you a little bit of what's left on my plate. Of course, we had to have Mickey waffles. We have watermelon salad. We have curry, bacon, sausage, and all kind of other things that I forgot the name of. Delicious. They told us that we needed to try the Jamba Juice. That is delicious. Tastes like orange and guava. I don't know. Very refreshing. Yum. Correction, it's not Jamba Juice, it's Jungle Juice. Bye. Hey.
Hey, Goofy.
Let me tell you the funny story about me and Mickey Mouse. No, I'm not kissing him. It looks like a kiss. I promise you, it's a hug. He came up so fast I didn't even see him. And I said, well, Mickey, can we do a do-over? I didn't see you. And being the gracious mouse that he is, he said yes.
Mickey Mouse!
Hey, Mickey.
Oh, Mickey! Oh, thank you, Mickey. I love you. Yay! You're a wonderful person, Mickey.
Okay, so remember I told you I'm going to talk to you about the trick that you can get 2 for the price of 1. And let's face it, prices in Disney, well, they're a little high. And so getting 2 for 1, well, doesn't that sound good? So here's the deal. The time for servings here at Tusker House are breakfast is served between 8 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Lunch is served between 11 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. and then dinner starts at 3:35 and runs through 7 p.m. So what we found is if you make your reservation within those times right before the next time changes, for instance, breakfast ends at 10:30, so we made a 10:30 or 10:20 breakfast reservation so that we were still able to get all of the things on the breakfast menu, but while we are there, it changes over into lunch. So we were able to eat anything that we wanted for breakfast, and we were also able to eat all of the new items and offerings for lunch. And you can do the same for dinner. If you're there at the end of lunch and the beginning of dinner, then you will be able to get the 2 for 1. You can have that menu for whatever time frame you're there, such as lunch, and then if you time it just right, they change lunch over and they bring out all of the new offerings, and you're able to then have dinner or whatever other time frame that you're there. So time that reservation just right, if you can, 60 days before your visit, and you can get the 2 for 1. All right, back to the video.
So the good thing is, because of the timing of when we came, we not only get breakfast, but we get lunch too. Let's see what's different. Cookies. Let's see. Wow, this dessert table looks amazing. Look at that. That looks amazing. That was fruit a while ago. Now we have baby cupcakes, Fab 5 safari brownies, chocolate mousse, pineapple tarts, butterfly cupcakes, and African layered cookie bar. Wow, looks delicious. Let's see what else has changed now that we're here for lunch. Tzatziki sauce, cucumbers, diced tomatoes, sliced onions, coriander chutney, sweet and spicy mustard, and naan bread. My goodness. North African harara. I probably murdered that soup. We still have some eggs, and we still have, of course, Mickey waffles, eggs, omelets, sausage, bacon. Hello. Hello. Friendly people, ham. Chakalaka. Maybe I said it right. Tandoori sauce, tandoori spice rubbed rotisserie chicken, chermoula salmon. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what else we got. We have yum, braised collard greens, jollof rice, roasted root vegetables, feisty green beans, and cauliflower bunny chow. Hello. We have mac and cheese. It looks yummy. Our server said make sure to try it. Mealy pop with chakalaka, Oh my, am I saying that right? Za'atar braised beef, Tusker market mashed potatoes. Let's see, what else we have? Green curry shrimp, cake Malay chicken curry, and jasmine rice. How does that look? Yummy, delicious. We've got to try it. Now we still have more mac and cheese, corn dog nuggets, mashed potatoes. We have chicken legs, green beans, and corn. Over here we have roasted cauliflower salad, black-eyed pea salad, and quinoa and chickpea salad. Yum. And here we have olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, kachumbari, maybe that's what it is, coconut curry vinaigrette, sambal vinaigrette, and house-made ranch. And then we have all the fixings for a wonderful salad. And we have some fruit and some coleslaw. We have grapes, turkey, and ham. We have still butter and all kinds, hummus, honey rosemary rolls, naan bread, zebra brioche bread, and mini cornbread. This is amazing. And look, Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. And Daisy has made it to the table. Aww. My goodness, he was absolutely right. This mac and cheese is delicious.
I was going to ask you, isn't that good? Best mac and cheese ever.
That is delicious. It has cream cheese, some type of creamy, oh, it's delicious. Yum, that's the best. He's right, that's the best I've ever had. Delicious. So here's what else is on my plate. So I have some of that delicious mac and cheese, some braised beef, mashed potatoes, curry, green curry shrimp, and collard greens. Yum. Delicious. It's time for more dancing and music.
So we really did enjoy our time at Tusker House. Now, anytime that you're going to do character dining at Disney, you need to just go ahead and check to see what is on the menu and who the characters are that will be coming around to the table, because character dining is an investment. These restaurants usually start at around $35, $45 per person. So it is an investment, but if it is the characters that you are interested in seeing and will make your children smile, they'll spend time, they'll sing and they'll dance while you're eating a wonderful meal, it's well worth the price. We had a great time here and the food was really good. Something that is out of the ordinary, and that's what we really liked. Although we still had time to enjoy classics as well. And just for ending purposes, here is the check. Well worth it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. give us a like, and mash down on that notification bell. All right, stick with us for more Disney World adventures.